What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to start using Trojan Solana board and how to set up this board. Now to do this, the process is quite very simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. If you guys haven't started using this board, you can go and check out the link in the description I'll provide below this video in order to get started. Now this board is available on Telegram, so we'll move to Telegram. Now we're on Telegram and now this is the board that you will see, and first of all you will see a start button when operating the board. So simply go and hit the start button, and once we do this it will go and show us this interface, and here it will also show us our current balance and our wallet address of Trojan Bot. Now what we can do is we can use another wallet in order to, like Phantom wallet, in order to deposit some Solana into this address. Now once you do that, click the refresh button and your balance would be updated. Once we are done with that, the next thing we will do is look at some of the settings. For that, just simply go and click on the settings icon right here. Now the first thing we will see is this fast and turbo option. Totally depends upon you. You can choose turbo or fast. Now below this is buying and selling settings. In the buying settings, you will see some of the presets and slippage amount. To edit slippage amount, simply click on it and type in the amount of that you want to set. For example, 5. If we type in 5, it will set up it to 5%. We can also edit these presets. For example, I can edit this 0.5 sol to 1 sol or any other amount that I want. For example, here I can try 0.1 and enter. Now this will update the value, and similarly we can head over to selling settings and edit some of the presets and slippage amount there. Now once we are done with that, you can see that there are also other options: copy trade, sniping, limit orders, DC orders. Now I have covered all of these topics in whole another videos. You guys can go and check out those. Now in order to buy, what we need to do, if you click on the buy button, it will ask you to paste the address of the token that you want to buy. It will show you a message just like this one. Simply go and click on the buy button, and after that we can go and get the address of the token that we want to buy. For that you can head over to SolScan. Here I have chosen this token Hemi as an example. I will copy the address of this token and I'll simply go and paste it right here. Now once I do this, it will show you this kind of interface, and now we can see all of the presets that we edited earlier. Simply on a single click it will buy for you if you have sufficient balance. If you click on this 0.01, it will buy for you instantly. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope the video was helpful for you guys. If the video was helpful, do consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.